Hello, it's 5 March 2020. Let me just sit down here on my thing and rotate this around real slow, kind of, sort of. I won't be able to see some of these, but that's alright. And now let me rotate the screen around. And I got a video going, but I don't want to show that just yet, but there it is, the video. Let me start with my pictures. Here are my pictures. Okay, here's the inside of a, well, is that the beginning? Where'd the mouse go? Okay, that's a Sony WM-70. Okay, that's with it belted. That's okay, wait. That's one of these plastic things that I put a notch in the end of it, so I was able to push the belt through. Okay, and then that's the WM. That's 70. Okay, that's just backwards. Oh well, that's the right side. Okay, that's a belt that should fit but doesn't fit. But anyway, so I found a. This is all messed up. Start this. Where's the first picture? That's that one. All right. Let me stop this. This is a blooper. I'll do this right. Well, here. Let me just play the thing and play this. Okay. Where is the start? I can't do it that way, can I? Where is the? Here. Hit that. Okay. I've got my little camera here sitting on the ground or on the bed or wherever the heck I'm at, and I've got this here, which is the motor, cleaned by going through a bunch of Q-tips and such and getting the the dirt off of the motor, because I had a belt on there previously, and anyway, so I'm just showing you that the motor does work. So, there it is, on by putting a battery in there and crossing the terminals. So I don't know if you can see that. I can't even see it. Let's see here. The motor does work, and I'm going to try and put this one little belt that I found back in it and see if I can get that one to work. And that's that's this one of well, it's not going to focus, but here I am on the bed. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. 1 minute. All right, goodbye. I was going to show more, but I'm letting too much going on. The nurse is finally here, and just bounce this around. I got some more here to walk on. This is going to be practice, and Lord knows. And then there's just some more stuff. Good day. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.